Hi folks, UV torch, wall carpet, pet stains, pet accidents. In this container we have an enzyme urine contamination treatment, and what we're going to do is use this torch to find where the urine is on this carpet. So I'll start it up now. Always checking the corners because that's usually where pets like to go. Now, it might be difficult for you to see, but can you see that in the shadow? Okay, we need to treat that. You see that? Now, to the naked eye, you'd never see that. Now you can see it. So what we're going to do, we're going to apply our urine contamination treatment to these key areas. We've got an area there, and I think we've got an area over here somewhere. It's here somewhere. I can't find it at the moment, but anyway, there's a bit there, I think. And we're going to allow that to do its job while we're working on other parts of the house. And we're going to flush that out, and then we're going to clean the carpet. Okay, so there you go. We don't do guesswork. There's another bit there. The torch takes out all the guesswork. There's another bit there. Okay, we achieve clean, excellent results, peace of mind for our customers. We do charge more, but that's to be expected. You want a better service, you have to pay for it, unfortunately. 30 minutes dwell time. We're back. We've got our extraction machine turned on, as you can hear, and we've got the torch switch back on. I'm just going to rinse these areas now, and we'll see if that has taken out whatever that is that's in that carpet. So let's have a look now. Now, we will clean the rest of the carpet. We have to treat these areas separately to the main clean for obvious reasons. Just have a look now. Just take a look at that, folks. Okay. I think that pretty much speaks for itself. That product and flushing everything out has solved the problem. The product has left behind a really nice, fresh citrus scent. Okay, now the carpet is ready for its main clean.